Okay, this is just explaining how to load it and stuff and what it should do once you're done. For mine, to fire it, you just push this little yellow thing my finger's on right now, right here, or orange thing, whatever, up, and then it should make it be like that. And to load it, you need to make sure that this thing right here is all the way, it's almost down, or else it'll be like really hard to load. I mean, if it's like up here or something, you can't load it at all. So you want to make sure that after you're done shooting and you want to load it again, it's all the way down. So yeah, to load it, you just take each rubber band, like here's one right here, and put it on the end. Like that. And then put it on like a tooth of the gear close to the top. And then after you put one rubber band on, you need to like move the gear backwards, and then it'll move this little thing right here, and you need to push it up like that, like that. Hopefully you can see that. So you need to push it up like that, and it'll work then. So yeah, hopefully you can see how to load it, and then when it shoots, it'll just do that. Yeah, so I can probably get like 20 rubber bands on this thing, and it has a pretty good rate of fire. Like, it's not really fast and it's not too slow, so yeah.